Welcome to Redline Review. According to information gathered, the Bavarian automaker has not released a 2026 motorhome, camper. Concept sketches or AI-created visuals show futuristic automobiles. On the internet, these designs are often called BMW XC Camper or BMW MOTORHOME. Unofficial and conceptual information about these alleged designs often includes only use electric vehicles for short trips, 40 miles electric, 600 miles total. Connect hybrid drivetrains, e.g. 375 horsepower, 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with electric motor. Luxurious camper interiors feature folding beds, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, leather chairs, induction cooktops, and tiny restrooms. It can accommodate 2 adults and have a rooftop tent. Prices range from $90,000 to $180,000 according on specs and measurements. True and unimportant things status info. No public release. BMW has not officially announced its camper and motorhome entry. Photographs created by AI, many concept art, and AI-generated videos and images are available online. The fabrics are not touched despite the bold designs. Hybrid details 375 horsepower, 40 miles of electric car range, and 600 miles are calculated from rumor, not public releases. Regarding the concept's popularity, Reddit users are enthralled by design. The BMW authentic models are sparking debate, memes, and enthusiasm. Why it's possible, without a doubt, seeing BMW is expanding its electric vehicle lineup with the Neue Klasse electric vehicle technology advances in 2026 manufacturing ramp-ups. BMW would have to form new partnerships, develop new production methods, and make big strategic changes, none of which have been disclosed to enter the motorhome business. The bottom line, BMW motorhomes are popular due to a funny premise, computer graphics, and positive fantasies. This obsession is unreal. BMW may launch a luxury hybrid electric camper in 2026, according to early 2025 speculations. This would boost the auto sector. Look for high-end concept campers at auto exhibitions or boutique coach builders. Some designers may employ BMW chassis to make distinctive trailers. How do you feel about a business-made 2026 BMW motorhome? Only a desired thought exists today.